Hi everyone, it's Dr. Brown. I just want to talk to you about a topic that's on many of our minds. Menopause and breast cancer. What do they have to do with each other? The fact is that menopause does not directly cause breast cancer to develop. However, as we age and we start going through menopause, we can be at higher risk for development of cancers of all kinds, including breast cancer, because as our tissues and our bodies age, our risk of cancer increases. So for many women, they have a fear of taking HRT and they worry that taking HRT is going to cause them to develop breast cancer. It's not a direct causal relationship like that. There is many other factors that can increase your risk for breast cancer. Taking estrogen alone actually doesn't increase your risk. However, taking estrogen and progesterone together can give you a slightly increased risk. But when you compare that to the big picture and what can really cause a problem in a woman's life, we are more likely to get heart disease or heart attack and die of one of those than we are to die of breast cancer. So when you think about it, you have to put it into perspective about your quality of life.